evening guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a Tuesday evening, September 29. Hope you're all okay. So today's video is about how to make corn dog. I'm going to share with you how I made homemade corn dog. So I have here 10 pieces of hot dog, but it's a cholesterol free and gluten free brand. So this is the butter for our it's like a pancake butter. It's a pancake butter actually. So then I have here, let's start making. So we're going to preheat the oil, and then we'll start to dip these dogs one by one. We'll just coat it with the butter, pancake butter. So any recipe of pancake butter will do. Just dip all this one, and then we'll make sure it's coated. And once it's coated, by the way, I'll leave the recipe on my description box. So once it's all deep, we're just going to we'll make sure that our oil is warm, or it's already so hot. We will just adjust the temperature of our induction cooker. So if you're new to my channel, just push on the notification button or slash the bell for updated videos, and please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below for any suggestions or any topic you want me to feature in my channel. So here you go guys, it's deep. So we'll start to put it one by one. we'll make sure that our oil is already hot. So just fry it one by one, and we'll get back to you later once it's cooked. Okay guys, here is our finished product. So, ayan po. I hope you can try it. Ayan ang ating homemade corn dog. Homemade corn dog. Ayan, homemade corn dog. So, see you again next time in my videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Good night. Keep safe, everyone. God bless us all. Bye!